I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop your Paramount Plus subscription from automatically renewing, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your subscription. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to your subscription details. Step 3. Find auto renewal option. Scroll down to the subscription section where you will see your current plan details. Look for the auto renewal toggle or checkbox. Step 4. Disable auto renewal. Toggle off the auto renewal option or uncheck the box. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to disable it. Confirm your choice. Step 5. Check confirmation email. After disabling auto renewal, check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus. This ensures that your changes have been processed. Remember, if you don't see the auto renewal option, it might be because you subscribed through a third-party service like Amazon or Apple. In that case, you will need to manage your subscription through that service. I hope this helps you manage your subscription smoothly.